How can I turn a form response into an event? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new form submission in Jotform. Then we'll be taking the details of that form response in order to make a quick add event in Google Calendar. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Jotform to calendar. And we'll click in our trigger box and select our trigger, which is going to be in Jotform. And that's going to be a new form submission. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to my Jotform account. If you have trouble connecting to any of your accounts in this workflow, please read the blog in the description of this video. Click continue. The form that I want this workflow to follow is my event request form. And I'm going to test the trigger. So we have a new event request. So I'm going to click continue here. And for my action, I'm going to select Google Calendar. And the event is going to be a quick add event. Make sure I'm connected to Google. The calendar I want to add this event to is my event request calendar. And the text is all going to come from the trigger. So I'm going to add some text, title, and then find the title within this drop-down menu. So family reunion. I'm going to add the word description. And I'm going to find the description of the event. Location. The start time. I'm going to use this date and time version. End time. And again, I'm going to use the date time version. Then I'm going to click continue. I'm going to test my action. And we have a success. So I'll click continue here. I'm going to look over at my Google Calendar. I can see this family reunion event was added. It has the start time, the end time, the location, and the description of the event. So it looked like our workflow worked properly. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in the corner of each of my nodes here. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time there's a new form submission of this event request form, it will take the details of that form in order to add a quick add event in Google Calendar. So that's how I can take a new form submission and turn it into a new event in Google Calendar. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel. And click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.